All right, we're gonna go walk from, where are we, California? Over to Main Street?
Yeah.
All right, follow me. Let's go take a look at the table too. Okay. I think it's a long table here. Where'd you go? Oh. A long table. $15 minimum. Oh, it's perfect height for you. Yeah, that's right. It's the perfect height, but it's a long table. Yeah, it's the longer table.
What if I'm right here?
Not if you're over there. You gonna play? Are you hungry yet? I'm not hungry yet. I want to just walk over to Main Street first.
Let's do that. Wow, blackjack, 500 bucks. I thought it was a minimum.
They do have that and the high limits.
That's how much I bring with me the whole entire time.
We are the low budget rolling. That's why when you hit it, just cash out and leave. That's gonna be the new channel, everybody. It's gonna be called Hit, Cash Out, and Leave. Go home, you're done.
Go home.
Go home.
Go home.
Go home. So we're going to eat here at Aloha Specialties, but let's see what time they close.
Now we know that that table down there is the right size.
The right height. It's for midget size for us.
For
Let me see
us
what time.
midget.
Today's Sunday, right?
Today's Sunday. What
So they close at 7.
Whoa.
Oh, so we need to come back here soon. Okay. Let's go across and take a look.
Close at 7.
Yeah.
They also have that place downstairs that we like their salmon.
I like this dish here.
I'm just saying.
Yes, you're right.
There's a salmon downstairs that we like.
So you're saying that if there's a table open and we do really well, we can postpone and go eat salmon downstairs.
We can, you know.
Yeah. Yep.
We have to come back
Mm-hmm.
right away.
If we're on a good long roll, because they got 20 times odds here, and I don't think we've ever added 20 times odds on a.
One time.
Did you?
No.
I've never.
I said I'll do it one time.
Oh, we should. 20 times.
You were hitting the 6 and the 5 back to back to back to back, and we were betting.
Oh. All right.
Right.
Is it open?
I don't know.
Is it open? Craps table's open.
This table's open. But is it on a
Let's go take a look.
call?
They don't have a bonus here.
Oh, they don't.
No. So fun fact, everybody. I rolled for 75 minutes here
Yeah, you did.
and made about $3,000 off of a $200 buy-in, I think.
Plus tips.
Plus tips, yeah. No, that was including tips.
That's a good
Yeah. Because about 500 of that was tips.
So, what's the height?
It's normal height. It's 15. Height. All right, everybody, I'm turning this off.
Yeah, that's too high.
Want to play?